Hey guys, today I have the rolling cart that you're looking for. What's going on guys? My name is TJ and today I'll be reviewing this rolling cart that is great for tools, DIY work, garage, if you're a mechanic, if you wanna have this in your workshop. And in this video, I'm gonna show you all the features that this has to offer. All right, so now we can take a closer look. I got this thing jam-packed with a bunch of stuff so you can kind of visualize what you would do if this was yours. So we have a very nice handle here that is metal and it gives you enough room to have your hands on here, even if you do have thicker gloves on, which I do think that's really nice, gives you a lot of space, and you can wheel this around very easily. So I'm just gonna show you that feature since that is part of the highlight of this. So we can roll this around very nice, and I actually think that this would be perfect if you do live in a smaller place or have a little bit of smaller limited room. Like I'm in a townhouse, so my garage isn't huge, but this, you could literally wheel this around and store it in the tightest spot and have all your tools in one place. So let's take a look at everything else we have. It's gonna come with some nice hangers that you can put into this pegboard, and I just have like keys hung up, oil filter wrench, some tape, and some electrical connectors. On the bottom, we're gonna have a really nice rack, so you can put a nice toolbox on here, really easy to take on and off. And I do love on the bottom of the wheels, we do have these really nice locks, so you can see if I'm trying to push this right now, it's gonna stay locked, and you can step on these really easy and quickly. They do have 360-degree swivels, so you can move this wherever you may like. And guys, I have to say, this red is popping. It looks absolutely amazing. The powder coat finish on here looks exceptional, and the black as well. In the middle, we have another tier on here. So this is gonna be a 3-tier setup, and we're gonna have this really nice grate that is raised up. So if you are rolling this around, you can see some stuff is not gonna fall out that you wanna keep contained a little bit better. Now, all the way on the top, we're gonna have this shelf up here that is gonna be see-through, so you can check it out and see what's underneath just for quick and easy access. I just have a magnetic little container on here for tools that clicks on here really well. And we also have another top tier here that you can grab on from the other side if you would like to do it that way. Now, one of my favorite features about this is gonna have this little slot here to put your hand power tools, and it just fits absolutely perfect. And you do get a nice lip on here too. So if you are rolling this around, it's not gonna fall out. It's actually gonna catch that edge. And that's enough on here to put 3. This is gonna be a big torque wrench. So you can see this actually has a fatter handle than both of these, and it does still fit on here. So I was impressed. And they even thought to give you enough clearance up here. So we actually have a mega battery on this one up here. So this is my impact and a smaller battery here. So you can see how much room to the top. And then right here, we still even have more clearance. So I do like that. And then finally on the back end, we're gonna have another pegboard, and this does hold a decent amount of weight. I got my bag here. These are gonna be more like hooks, and we can put the 19mm wrench, a couple more items up here. But all around, if you're looking for an amazing cart that doesn't take up much room at all, but is still super practical, I'm telling you, this is the one that you want. Would make an excellent gift, Father's Day, birthday, Christmas. I'm telling you, this thing is absolutely amazing. It's great to wheel around. I love it for the simple fact that I can just stick this in the tightest spots of my garage and just tuck it right back here. Takes little to no room whatsoever and still holds an incredible amount of stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. Add this to your cart, and I'll see you in the next video.